What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to set a timer onto your Snapchat photos and videos, specifically photos, although the videos, if you don't set a timer, you'll be able to repeat them whether that matters to you or not. This is super easy to do, just know that it doesn't offer full protection as they could obviously still screenshot it or take a picture from a different phone, so there really is no safe way to do this. But for other reasons, if you want to just have a less time on your Snapchat, you could do that. So once you take the picture itself, you're going to see the toolbar on the right, and there's quite a few icons, but you're going to be looking at the one that's all the way down at the bottom. It's kind of like a stopwatch style design. You're going to end up clicking on that, and then you will be able to adjust the time of your individual Snapchats. So you can see I had mine set on no limit, and there's a bunch of different seconds all the way from 1 to 10. I'm going to set mine to 5, so when I send the Snapchat to someone, they will have 5 seconds to view it. And like I said, they can obviously replay or screenshot it. Nothing is safe on Snapchat, but there is only 5 seconds that they have to view it. And this is going to set it permanently for your Snapchats until you go in and manually set it. So once I send out the Snapchat, if I take a new one, it's still going to be set to 5 seconds. So just be aware of that if you're ending up messing around with your timer a lot and that is important to you. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.